In this video, we are going to look at the Microsoft Excel ribbon menu. And the section at the top here is the Microsoft Excel ribbon menu. To the far top left, we have the Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar is essentially a customizable toolbar to which you can add commands that you use most frequently. Right below the Quick Access Toolbar are these tabs, and the tabs contain groups of commands that are loosely related to the core task. Actually, it helps to think of each tab as a category. Under each tab, you'll have groups. You have the clipboard group, the font group, alignment group, number group, styles group, cells group, editing group, and all these groups are currently under the Home tab. Okay? And groups contain sets of commands that fall under the umbrella of that tab's core task. Okay, so under the Home, these are the different tasks you can perform under the Home tab, and they are aligned in these different groups. Okay, each group contains buttons, and these are the buttons. They're referred to as buttons. Which you click to activate the command you want to use. So for instance, if I click on the bold button, it should bold my text. Okay. To the lower right corner of each group, you'll find these little drop down arrows, and these are referred to as dialog launchers. They are activated by clicking the small arrow located to the lower right corner of certain groups. Clicking any dialog launcher activates a dialog box containing all the commands available for a given group. Okay, so for instance, for the alignment group, if I want to use the dialog box for the alignment group, I click the dialog launcher here, and this brings up the alignment dialog box. Okay, so let's go back up and look at the different tabs and what's under them. Currently, we are under the Home tab. Okay, and the Home tab contains commands for common actions such as formatting, copying, pasting, inserting, and deleting columns and rows. Okay, so all these different things are under the Home tab. All these different commands and these different groups are under the Home tab. If I click under the onto the Insert tab, the Insert tab contains commands that enable you to insert objects such as charts and shapes into your spreadsheets. So if I want to insert a chart, picture, shapes, charts right here, column, anything I want to insert into my spreadsheet, I click Insert tab, and it should be under that. The Page Layout tab. This tab holds the commands that enable you to determine how your spreadsheet looks, both on screen and when printed. These commands control options such as theme colors, page margins. Here are the theme colors. This is the theme color group. Page margins, and the print area of your spreadsheet. Okay, and many other commands and groups fall under the Page Layout tab. The Formulas tab. This tab holds the commands that help define, control, and audit Excel formulas. If you're doing a lot of number crunching, a lot of calculations within Microsoft Excel, you'll do a lot of work under the Formulas group. function library. You have defined names, formula auditing, calculation. All these groups contain commands that you can use within your Excel spreadsheet to calculate and audit Excel formulas. Under the Data tab, this tab features commands that enable you to connect to external data, as well as manage the data in your spreadsheet. The Review tab, with commands such as spell check, protect sheet, protect workbook, and track changes. The theme of the Review tab is protecting data integrity in your spreadsheet. The View tab, the commands on this tab are designed to help you control how you visually interact with your spreadsheet. For instance, you can choose to look at your spreadsheet at 50%, 75%, 100%. All these different viewing options fall under the View tab. Let's get back to the File tab. The File tab exposes the Backstage view, where you find commands to help you open existing Excel workbooks, create new workbooks, save workbooks, apply protection, and much more. In the coming videos, we'll be doing a lot of work with the Microsoft Excel ribbon and all the different tabs and commands and groups under it. The thing with the Microsoft Excel ribbon, if you want more space on your screen, you can hide it. If I right click on the ribbon and I choose collapse the ribbon, that will minimize it for me. To get it back, just click any tab at the top and that will bring it back. Okay? Now, the thing is, when you click a cell, that will hide it. If you want to permanently put it back to where it was, click a tab at the top and then right click on it again and then click to uncheck the collapse the ribbon option, and that should do it. Okay? And this was an overview of the Microsoft Excel ribbon. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.